Good morning. Welcome back to MarineMax Panama City Beach. Lance Weatherby here at Treasure Island Marina. And behind me I have one of our newest arrivals, the 2018 NauticStar 2102 Legacy. The Legacy is the family-friendly version of the 20-foot center console. This boat is actually almost 22 feet. This one's powered by a Yamaha 150. And if you're a family-oriented fisherman and you may fish, 50 or 60% of the time, and the rest of the time you're at Shell Island, this may be the boat for you. Come aboard. Back here on the stern of the 2102 Legacy, you have some really nice features and benefits to this boat. One of those being is the walk-through transom. You have a nice pass-through where you're not stepping on the seat. The main difference between this boat and the 22XS is, of course, the fixed bench seat. The 22XS is a little bit more a little bit more fishing friendly, and then of course the 2102 is a little bit more geared towards the family. But nice pass through here, so you're not stepping on the seats. This gate just folds back here, and then you have your nice cushion. You also have freshwater shower off the back. So when you're digging around and you kids are, digging up clams and seashells on Shell Island, you can wash them down before they get in the boat. So walking back this way, nice JBL audio speakers. You have your raw water hookup here, and a nice deep bait well here in the rear. This one's got the upgraded landing post with tackle storage. Nice embossed NauticStar footrest here. All of the 20 and 21s come with a cooler. And this one we already had geared with a Simrad. This is the Simrad 7, bottom machine and GPS, so you're ready to go right out of the box. You're ready to get on the water and start fishing. But one of the better features on this boat is going to be the hardtop. Gives it a little bit more eye appeal. This is also available with a canvas T-top, or you can get it with no top at all. But having a boat of this size is just a great entry level boat. If you got somebody, like I said, you're going to be fishing 40 or 50% of the time, and the rest of the time you're going to be cruising around. Everybody's comfortable. You've got nice padded bolsters here on the side, where if you're leaning up on the boat here and you're fishing, you're protecting the kids. Nice high sides if you do have little ones. And then walking up here to the front, nice flip-up backrest. So keeping everybody happy, keeping the wives and the girlfriends and the kids happy. They're nice and relaxed back here. Nice little cooler here in the front of the seat, which of course this one's actually plumbed for a live well. So you can use this for a bait well or a live well. And then your two forward fishing boxes up front. Great size little fishing box. And this is it's a lot of boat for the money. This is a boat you can get in for, definitely under $60,000 with a trailer. And if you guys want to take a ride, you guys want to come by and take a sea trial, just give us a call. My name's Lance, and we'll see you at MarineMax Panama City Beach.